Today is a gloomy day to go on a cruise. In a rush to make the 10 a.m. session.
Okay, let's catch for the 10. Are you sure? Let's catch 10. 5 more minutes.
He's gonna make the reservation. I need to tie my pants because they're falling.
No boat.
So there is no 10 a.m. session.
There's no boat today.
No sessions.
No boat. Strong wind.
So because of the unfortunate turn of events, we have now just turned to taking photos in front of the cruise.
And we will be back.
Michelle has anxiety.
I do not.
Chris.
I also have anxiety, so you can stop talking.
Unlike me. Anxious free. The rain's picked up quite a bit.
Where's the umbrella?
Yeah, umbrella's not found. Hope you guys like my new look. It's to fit the rainy weather season. Kind of prepared for snow, you know.
You should wear them.
你要先关了才有 automatic 的啊，把它锁起来。Yes, see, automatic. Come back. There's no helicopter there.
She's gonna fly away.
See, this is the proof how stubborn is my wife.
The city of Sasebo is behind us. I don't know what we're listening to, but it sounds like a school anthem.
Chris's hair, so much pretty. To the back of me, you see you have Sasebo, I think.
Sasageo.
Yes. The weather is cold at about 13 degrees, very windy. Do not recommend sailing at this in this weather because you'll probably not make it back to shore. And yeah, stay safe, guys. So we are here back at where? Is this Sasebo?
Sasebo,
Yeah.
Kyo something.
This is the shopping. There's a shopping street, and it's basically just like a huge dome. It's kind of outdoors, kind of indoors. But there's so many nice like cafes and shops and supermarkets.
And old people.
Yeah, and they don't look very expensive either. So wish we had more time.
Alright, it looks like it might be open. I see the doors open. You can see out there it says Queen Kebab. Oh, I see meat. Eating.
Eating, yeah. How much it first? Yeah.
Can you just get 2 mixed beef?
To mix?
Yeah. What is inside?
Chicken, beef, cabbage, red cabbage.
No cabbage.
No cabbage. Just meat.
Yes. This is the kebab sandwich. No, it's the kebab roll. Super mix kebab sando. This is my last bit of protein for the next. Oh yeah, this is heavy. Okay, so part of that whole kebab experience kind of just felt like I was having drug withdrawals and then I went to some shady place to get a hit. That's kind of what it feels like. So we're in a rush to go back because it looks like the skies have cleared up a bit and Mr. Driver wants to go see if his luck is on his side and he can see the 99 islands view.
I got the cream butter and custard and chestnut something.
Which is why we might be delayed.
What?
So we're back now. It's not raining. It's gonna be beautiful 99 islands. Let's check it out.
Fukushima. We came back here second time. First time in the morning, bloody heavy rain. So we didn't give up and come here again second time to see this fantastic view. Jiuzhou, Fukushima. Look at that.
Kuju Kushima!
I don't think it's 99 out there, but I just believe it. Even better, the whole place is just us. See, no one around. It's just this group because we charter this place.
We charted this place.
Oh, let's back out.
Yes, Heidi, I am here.
钱就是我，
我就是钱，
我决定要搞。
钱就是我。
Bro, she is being an illegal Taiwanese tourist right now. Don't go up, don't touch. Alright, look, today we can read English. Yet another person who can't read English. Disgusting. These Taiwanese tourists. Oh my god. 私はミッドトリップ長崎どのアイランドボーイズ
Hello, Des. This is Christine. Mish and Harry are in the bathroom. We are on our way to Nagasaki. I think we have an hour drive to go. We will be driving along the coastline. I am hoping that Harry would be able to drive this one. Yeah, but we'll see. And they remember to do pray. Okay, bye.
Not yet. Haven't seen yet. Found your face.
I think it's good actually.
Hi. We are going to accommodation. We're walking in the rain.
Self check-in
Airbnb self check-in.
thing.
Harry thinks.
We are currently still stuck in here, and now we are trying
Complicated, no human interaction check-in.
Very complicated. This is inhuman.
ですね。
はい。
お会計が1500円になります。
カード
ただ大丈夫です。
はい。
We just spent $15 on Daifuku.
Red bean.
So we have 3 different types of Daifuku. This looks like the grape one because it looks like 2 bowls. And then we have pear, and then we have persimmon.
Oh, so
Wow. Next we have another one. I'm not quite sure what this says. I think it might be the pear one.
like that.
That's his yummy face.
So good.
Daifuku with
never-
persimmon.
I never had a mochi with the fruit, real fruit inside. First time.
This is so good.
Is it?
I usually don't like persimmon, but this is so good.
Really nice.
Have you tried persimmon before?
I don't know, but I like whatever that was. Kind of just melted.
Yeah.
So guys,